Hi everybody, it's Tim. It is a super warm, nice day in the middle of February here in the Northeast. I'm in the Hudson Valley of New York. I'm actually without a shirt on because I'm getting some sun. It's nice out. I can't believe it's February. Anyway, I thought I would give you a little bit of tour of a couple of my other palms that you haven't seen so far. At least I don't think I'd shown you, and see how they're doing. So far, everything I've looked at is good except one tiny little Trachycarpus fortunei that was a problem even in the summertime, and it doesn't look that good right now after some cold spells that the top flew off and it got exposed a little bit. So, but it still might come back. But I want to show you some things today on this beautiful weather. I still can't believe it's February. It's just amazing out. So I'm really happy. I don't like global warming, but I'm benefiting from it right now with all this with my tropics. So here's a little tour. So this is my jelly palm structure with the side off next to one of my really tall Trachycarpus. But just to show you, if you look back on my early fall summer videos, this is the jelly palm that has a little bit of yellow in it, and so I've been concerned about it. It's a new palm that I got last spring, but it looks pretty good in here. So I'm feeling good. There's green. It doesn't look like there's any problems. There's a little bit of, like on the end where it got maybe a little cold up at the top, but I think everything down in here looks really good. So I think I'm in good shape. Hopefully I am. And as you can see, I'm heating this with Christmas lights and a thermocube. So hoping this will be good so far. In here, this is my mule palm. I've opened it up today to give it some sun and some air. I took the roof off of it, and as you can see, it looks pretty good in here. Happy with this. Hope it'll grow a lot this spring, and feeling good about that one. This is my Sylvestris date palm in here. I've had it for I think 3 years now. It's doing really well. Looks good. It's getting some nice sun today because it's so nice and warm. So hopefully it will do well. And here you can see all my hardy cactus is like flopped over, but my agaves look really good, and they went down to 0 Fahrenheit this year, and they're looking great. It looks like some of the cactus are starting to prop up a little bit, but we're still sure to have some more cold weather to come. And that's one of my smaller Trachycarpus right there. And in here is my Chinese windmill palm, and it looks really nice and green. At the very top where it's touching my moisture board there, it's a little yucky up there, but the rest of it looks really good. And this thing again is not very airtight at all, so I'm happy with that. It will be hopefully growing a lot this year, and from what I've read, these are pretty hardy, but I've definitely protected it this year. And here's one of my sable minors. I do protect it when it gets really cold by putting this trash can over, and I've got some lights that I put around it, small lights. It's doing well. I wish I knew what kind it was, but I lost what kind it was. I got a mail order somewhere. And here's one of my big Yucca rostratas, and I don't cover them at all. They do really well. I have another one over by one of my other Trachycarpus way over there. As you can see, these structures aren't always the most attractive in the wintertime, but I hide them in the summer. And out there in the field, you can see where I have some of my figs covered up around my flagpole. That is the Hudson River out there. So that was just a little bit of tour. Hopefully gives you a little better idea of what's going on in here in the middle of February, but it feels like summer out right now, so I'm very happy. Please like and subscribe and make some comments if you want, and hopefully I can see some of your videos as well.